Alright, so my KitchenAid side-by-side fridge
is nasty. It leaks water. I went through, took it all apart. It's coming out from here. So, got this part all taken apart.
And no, I didn't make it this messy. The people I bought the place from, they did it. I blame them. They're nasty.
Alright, so I came back here, 1/4 inch screws, pile of them. Took this part off, and there's the drain, and it's looking very clogged. It goes all the way down to there, where it drains into this catch pan here, where it's supposed to evaporate. But that wasn't happening because it's broke. Alright, back at it here. Okay, so the drain tube came out of that hole there. It's dripping fine. Now this thing was really nasty, as you can see. So what I did, I took a plastic bag and I poked a small hole in it, and then I put the bag over that so I didn't have to get my mouth on there because it was super nasty. And then I had a little hole that was protecting my mouth. And I blew really hard, and it went through, and I heard something pop out, and now it should be fixed.